അതിഥികളെ ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
Next, I would like to welcome our Honorable Governor of Kerala, Sri Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar, for the Chief Guest Address.
Namaskaram. Today we have gathered here to celebrate a very rare occasion. Juna Akhada, which is basically situated in the north, has a new Mahamandaleshwara, and along with other rituals, we have one amongst us who has been appointed there as the Mahamandaleshwara. And today's celebration is particularly for that. And along with me here, sitting, Shri Mahamandaleshwar Anandavanam Bharati, Shri Mahanta Parmeshwara Bharati, Shri Mahanta Vishwambara Bharati, Shri Rajavaidyam Mohan Lal, many other Sant Mahant sitting here in the auditorium, and my all pranams to you all at your feet. Priya Sahodare Sahodarin Mare. Today's, as I said, occasion is a different occasion for celebration. I would have loved to be speaking here in Malayalam, but I am not neither fluent nor accustomed to that. I am compelled to speak in English. Might be speaking some words in Hindi also. I was trying to gather how you are responding to Hindi when my other dignitaries were speaking. But whenever Shastra was coming behind, was backtracking, Shastra also was not an allergy to us. Our history, our parampara, our tradition and Sanskriti tells us, gives us number of instances. Instead of Shastra, we have taken Shastra in hand. Whenever necessary, we have done that. Our history gives number of examples for this. But whenever Shastra is not to be used, Shastra was also used. Adi Shankaracharya did the very same thing. As mentioned by earlier speakers, Adi Shankaracharya traveled throughout the country. It was not necessary to propagate Sanatana Parampara or Dharma, but it was necessary to strengthen that whatever we had. And that is exactly what Adya Shankaracharya did. Prior to coming to Kerala as the governor, I was in Bihar. And Bihar, suddenly when I was traveling there, in the deep remote area of Bihar, and one of my companion, he took me to one place. The name of that place was Mahishi in Bihar. I was surprised, what is this place? And the people who gathered there, because governor was there, Rajyapal has come there, तो स्वाभाविक रूप से सभी लोग वहां इकट्ठा आ गए. They came together. And I asked them, what is the speciality of this Mahishi place? They told me this, कि दूर दक्षिण से, केरल से, कालड़ी से एक महानुभव यहां आए. वो आद्य शंकराचार्य थे. एंड ही हैड अ शास्त्रार्थ विथ मंडन मिश्र. And the judge of that Shastrartha, the debate, was Mandan Mishra's wife, Bharati. And that Shastrartha was held in this place, Mahishi. I was fascinated, astonished. मुझे बहुत आश्चर्य हुआ और उससे भी ज्यादा मुझे समाधान प्राप्त हुआ. अपने देश के एक कोने से वहां कोई शंकराचार्य आते हैं और शास्त्रार्थ करते हैं बिहार में. And then again I had opportunity when I was governor of Bihar to come to Kaladi. मैं वहां कालड़ी में गया. वहां आदि शंकराचार्य जी के वहां पादुका है. वहां मैं नतमस्तक हुआ और मैंने वहां प्रतिज्ञा की, मैंने शपथ ली कि महिषी में आद्य शंकराचार्य जी का भव्य मंदिर होना चाहिए और मैं वह करूंगा. Unfortunately, I could not do that because immediately after, within a month, I had to come here as the governor of Kerala. I am amongst you. लेकिन मैं आप सबको आश्वासित करता हूं, आई विल गेट इट डन देयर. मुझे वो करना है. वाई इट इज नेसेसरी? दिस शोज अवर कनेक्शन. इंडिया इज नॉट नेवर डिवाइडेड इनटू साउथ एंड नॉर्थ एंड ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट. वी हैव बीन अ वन कंट्री. We had one ethos, we had one history, we had one culture. Where is the divide? Some people feel so. That is their mentality. But our parampara, our shastra tells us, we never bothered कि शंकराचार्य कहां से आए हैं. आद्य शंकराचार्य जी का जीवन कहां से आता है. बट ही इज अवर शंकराचार्य. थ्रूआउट द स्टेट, थ्रूआउट द कंट्री, एवरीबडी रिवर्ड्स हिम दैट ही इज अवर शंकराचार्य. मेरे शंकराचार्य है. वी डू नॉट कंसिडर ही कम्स फ्रॉम केरला और ही कम्स फ्रॉम वेस्ट और नॉर्थ. दैट इज द यूनिटी ऑफ अवर कंट्री. ये हमारी एकता है, एकात्मता है. इस एकात्मता को, इस एकता को आगे लेकर जाने की आवश्यकता होती है. और जब महामंडलेश्वर वहां बनते हैं, जुना अखाड़ा का पूजनीय आनंद, पूजनीय अपने आनंदवनम भारती, तब हम सबको लगता है कि वी आर नॉट अ डिवाइडेड कंट्री, वी आर नॉट अ डिवाइडेड कल्चर. वी आर, बिकॉज नाउ जब आनंदवनम भारती इज विथ अस, गाइडिंग अस एवरी नाउ एंड देन, taking care of our culture in Kerala, and not only of Kerala but throughout the country. He will be traveling throughout the country. He started right from January. So this particular thing itself is binding us. हम सबको एक रखता है, हमारी एकता यहां होती है. That is what exactly our culture has been giving us, teaching us throughout the thousands of years. This is our history, this is our culture. We are never different cultures. Many people say, we are a different culture. We have multicultural system. Where is that multicultural system? Oh, we must be having different shades of culture, but the culture is the same one, the very one. We have different shades, no doubt. Like Indradhanush or rainbow, it is one, but it has different shades, different colors. We are expressing differently in different parts of our country. But the sutra that binds us, that keeps us together is one. And that is our culture. We cannot make any difference in this. Because we have different languages, because we have different types of attitudes, because we have different food patterns, our attires, everything, people feel that this is a diverse thing. Maybe. But as I told you, कि हमारे बीच में सूत्र एक ही है, हमारी परंपरा एक ही है, हमारा इतिहास एक ही है. हमारे कपड़े अलग हो सकते हैं, वेशभूषा अलग हो सकती है, हमारा खान पान अलग हो सकता है, हमारी भाषा अलग हो सकती है, लेकिन हम सबकी सोच, the thought process is one and it will remain one. That has to be remain one. Because if all this remains one, एक भारत रहेगा. एक भारत is श्रेष्ठ भारत. एक भारत is श्रेष्ठ भारत. Our history tells us, whenever there was some problem in our ekata, ekatmata, our country was divided. There were some problems in our unity, in the concept of unity, not the unity, concept of unity, thinking process. Then our country was divided many a times, not only once. That gives us a lesson that we have to be united at any cost. There cannot be south, north, east, west. हम सब एक हैं, एक ही रहेंगे. हमारी विचार की परंपरा एक है, हमारी आस्था की परंपरा एक है. Our faith is one. There is no difference, my dear friends. That has to be maintained at any cost. Pujaniya Anandavanam Bharati ji is with us. I need not tell you from where he has come. We have a very proud moment today that we all are Keralites are celebrating that. Juna Akhada has only 3 times Keralites there as Mahamandaleshwar, and this is the 3rd one. Pujaniya Anandavanam is 3rd one. And what does that tell us? That tell us that we may be having anything else. You must be knowing his history. I read his interview in Indian Express, the new Indian Express. His interview was there. And Pujaniya Bharati ji was telling about his past. How he was ideologically a different person. Where he had been. And he has been establishing. Ultimately, we have one source. We have one source, we have one root. Our roots are not different. He might be having come from some other source. He was ideologically just a pole apart from this what he is today. But he has established, ultimately we are to be here. Sarvadeva namaskaram Keshavam pratigacchati. Keshavam pratigacchati, there is only one Keshav. We may call it Shankara, we call it Rama and anything. किसी को भी नमस्कार किया तो केशव के प्रति ही जाता है. So all our country, whole of our country, we may be having different shades of our culture to express, to establish, but we have one culture, that is Sanatana culture, Bharatiya Sanskriti. That is what is being established again and again. That is why Shri Bharati ji has come from a different ideology to this ideology. We are here for long, very long period. Just now, one of my speakers was referring to a shloka from Bhagavad Gita. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharat. And you know it all. I need not repeat that. Bhagavan Sri Krishna, he has given us assurance. He has given us assurance that whenever there is some problem within our thought process in the dharma, dharma is not necessarily a religion. Dharma is what we practice, what we do and what we don't. Do's and don'ts are called dharma. So that do's and don'ts में जब कभी कमियां आती हैं, कभी जब वहां त्रास होता है, खामियां होती हैं, I will come there. This is what he has assured us. And we are happy that he has been coming again and again. It is not necessary that he has to come in the form of Rama. It is not necessary he has to come in the form of Krishna. He can come in the form of Adya Shankaracharya. He can come in the form of Mahamandaleshwara. He can come in the form of Santa Kabir. He can come in the form of any Santa Mahanta. It is not necessary that he should have a form of Sri Krishna. Not necessary. This is what I understood from Bhagavad Gita. And that is the reason our country is so great, culturally, traditionally, that we all are seeing every time, everywhere, that many thousands of Santa Mahanta are working for our culture, for our Sanatana Dharma. Kerala can be a very good ground for this. Has to be. Has to be. Kerala can guide the whole country. केरल में ये हमको देखना चाहिए हम सबको. But my dear friends, person like me will be coming here, standing before you and speaking something on the mic. You will be liking it and you will be giving claps just to boost my morale. That is not enough. That is not enough, my dear friends. We have to be active in this particular way, in this connection, in this Sanatana Dharma. We have to be active. It is not somebody's job. It is my job. I have to be active. See, I just remember one incident. I was in Mumbai for about 3-4 years. And I was working for, many of you may be knowing, I was working for as a RSS Pracharak there. Sangha Pracharak in Mumbai, about 4 years. I had a very good friend from Times of India there. And he was telling me one story. We were very good friends. We were chatting, discussing many things. And when the Times of India's that particular reporter, he was sub-editor in Times, and he was telling me one incident. That was of 1942, when the freedom movement was at highest peak in our country. We were just talking about the Britishers, go back, go back. Mahatma Gandhi was in full swing. And Gandhiji used to ask everybody, come on streets. छोड़ दो सब कुछ. अपना घर छोड़ो, अपनी नौकरी छोड़ो, अपनी शिक्षा छोड़ो, अपना परिवार छोड़ो. Profession, nokri, everything, leave it aside and come in the interest of freeing our country. And this was being told to my friend by his father. My friend's father was telling my friend, see, this is what was happening. Everything was charged, every atmosphere was charged with the slogans of Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Swadeshi Bachao, ye karo, Britishers go back, chalo jao yahan se. And my friend's father was telling my friend, and suddenly my friend asked his father, Thero, just tell me, Pitaji, everything, every atmosphere was charged, every people were coming on the streets, they were shouting Bharat Mata ki Jai, they were shouting Vande Mataram, and everybody was there streets. Tell me, my father, where were you? Where were you? My friend's father said, my dear son, I was just sitting in my house and I was watching whole scenario through my window. My friend told his father, he told me that, Father, I am ashamed of you. You should have been part of this whole campaign, whole agitation. You should have been on streets and not in the house looking through window. I am really ashamed. Tomorrow our children should not ask this question to us. We have to be part of whole thing. Establishing the Sanatana Dharma is not his job, it is my job. I must be a part of it. I have to be part of it. Otherwise tomorrow my children will be asking me, Father, tell me, where were you? Whole this change was coming. It is 100% sure today with Swamiji, he had come today in Raj Bhavan. He was telling, wait for just next 50 years, everything will change. Yes, but for that we have to work. Nobody should say that you are sitting in the house and watching what is happening through your window. We should be proud enough to tell our next generation, yes, my dear boy, I was the part of it. I was doing that. That is what is required today. I just cannot remain absent, cannot remain silent from whole this process. Cannot remain. I have to be a part of it. This is exactly what we need to do. And that the meaning of Ashvasana, the assurance given by Bhagwan Sri Krishna is this. We all have to be Sri Krishna's avatar. We all have to be. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati. Dharma ko jab glani aayegi, tab main aunga. Why we are waiting for Bhagwan Sri Krishna? Why we cannot be there out on the field? We cannot be there. We have to be there. Everybody has to do his might. Everybody do the role he has been assigned. Everybody has to do it. We just cannot remain aside. This is what we need to do today. And I am very much glad that Kerala will be guiding the whole country now. The oldest akhada, Juna akhada, is being headed by our person from Kerala. And now that time has come. Now we have to move away from here and reach all the people. And that Jagrana is necessary. That awakening is necessary. Come on, let us come. The time has come. And we cannot remain silent. We cannot back this particular tide. We will be part of whole campaign, whole tide. And we will see that India will be a glorious country again. Vishwa Guru, Vishwa Bandhu is our aim. That is what we are aiming at. And Sanatana Parampara cannot remain aloof. Our soul is Adhyatma, spirituality. And that soul has to be maintained. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Nandi.
Now, let's rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
ആദരണീയനായ ഗവർണർക്ക് ആദരണീയനായ ഗവർണറുടെ യാത്രയപ്പിന് ശേഷം ഇവിടെ സന്നിഹിതരായിട്ടുള്ള സ്വാമിമാരുടെ പാദപൂജ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നതാണ്. അതിനോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഗുരു ശ്രീ ആനന്ദവനം ഭാരതി സ്വാമിജി ഗംഗാജലം എല്ലാവർക്കും നൽകി പ്രസാദം വിതരണം ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നതാണ്. എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാമിയുടെ അനുഗ്രഹാശംസകൾ തേടാവുന്നതാണ്.